Life can be hectic, especially for artists like me, jam-packed with interviews, taping, events, and even photo shoots. With all of that going on, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be challenging. But I've found that it is important to prioritize my health, so I'm able to not only look and feel my best, but also perform at my highest level. For me, living a healthy lifestyle starts with what I put into my body. I make sure to eat a well-balanced diet, and of course, I take only JC Organic Barley. Straight from New Zealand, this 100% natural and organic barley grass is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs. This JC Organic Barley juice has become an essential part of my daily routine. It's not just delicious, but nutritiously delicious. It can help boost your immune system, improves your digestion, high in antioxidants to help detoxify your body, help regulates blood sugar levels and cholesterol. With balanced diet and exercise, add this superfood to supercharge your health. Kaya for me, there's only JC Organic Barley.